Welcome to Elite. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Elite hood with any Elite Pro panel. So today we're going to be using a Pro Panel 2 for this example. When you receive your hood, you're going to also receive two plastic pieces as well as Velcro. These will hold the hood in place so it won't slide around when in use. First, you're going to go ahead and clear off any monitors or avionics stacks that you had on top of your Pro Panel. This piece with the cutout will go on the left side in case you want a headset adapter. What we're going to do is cut a piece of Velcro to fit. There. You'll take your Velcro once you've measured it, and you're going to go ahead and put it along the Pro Panel, push down, and then you'll be able to double check your measurement. Place this aligned with the top of your Pro Panel. Once we move over to the other side, you are going to put Velcro roughly in the same exact place. Remember that the plastic pieces are different. The angled part will be going at a downslope on the back, and the 90-degree part will be on the front. Once you've attached your holding brackets to your Pro Panel, we're going to look at the back of the hood, and we're going to place it face down so that we can put the monitor into the hole. Now we're going to go ahead and insert the monitor. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and slide it in here. It is a little bit of a tight fit. The hood only supports a normal 22-inch monitor, which is listed on our website, as well as a touchscreen monitor, also listed on our website. You also have the option to add in a headset adapter here, as well as an E500 module here. This will have a cover plate if you choose not to go with the E500 module. Now let's go ahead and put it on our Pro Panel. Once you have your hood on your Pro Panel, you'll notice that we also put our AP4000 back in. We also have the option to put a headset adapter in this spot here, as well as a E500 module or an EFIS module here in this slot. The monitors, also 22-inch monitor. We also offer a 22-inch touchscreen monitor, both of which are listed on our website when purchasing them. As a reminder, this hood is compatible with Pro Panel C, Pro Panel 2, and Pro Panel 3. You can find any information on our website at flyelite.com, and I hope this video was informative and helped you out.